you ever been on a grass-fed cattle farm in America? Let me know your story in the comments. In today's video, we will see impressive footage of American farmers raising grass-fed cattle. It all begins with selecting the right breeding stock. Experienced farmers carefully choose healthy cows and bulls to ensure strong and robust calves. Next, providing optimal pasture conditions is key. Grass-fed cattle require spacious pastures with diverse grasses and legumes to obtain essential nutrients. By allowing the cattle to roam freely and graze, we ensure their well-being and the production of high-quality beef. In fact, did you know that grass-fed cattle can consume up to 30 pounds of grass per day? Ensuring proper nutrition is vital for healthy grass-fed cattle. They primarily graze on nutrient-rich grass, but in some seasons or regions, additional supplements like hay or silage may be necessary. This balanced diet contributes to the overall health of the cattle and enhances the quality of the beef. Regular health checks are a must. Farmers work closely with veterinarians to ensure the well-being of the grass-fed cattle. These checkups help detect and prevent diseases, ensuring the cattle remain healthy and minimizing any negative impact on the meat. Implementing rotational grazing promotes sustainable land management. Farmers divide the pasture into smaller sections and rotate the cattle every 10 to 14 days. This practice allows the grass to regrow, prevents overgrazing, and ensures the long-term productivity of the land. Access to clean and fresh water is essential for grass-fed cattle. Farmers ensure that there are clean water sources available for the cattle to drink from. Maintaining their hydration and overall health. Did you know that a single adult cow can drink up to 30 gallons of water per day? Allowing natural growth and development is a fundamental aspect of raising grass-fed cattle. Unlike conventionally raised cattle, grass-fed animals grow at their own pace, resulting in meat with superior flavor and nutritional value. Emphasizing hormone-free production is a key principle. Grass-fed beef is free from artificial hormones, promoting a natural and healthier meat choice. This practice prioritizes the animal's well-being and provides consumers with a clean and sustainable product. Upholding animal welfare standards is of utmost importance. Farmers provide comfortable resting areas, protect from extreme weather conditions, and access to veterinary care, ensuring the overall well-being of the grass-fed cattle. Selecting a reputable butcher is crucial for protecting grass-fed animals. Farmers work closely with trustworthy butchers who understand the unique qualities of grass-fed meat. Ensuring a humane slaughter process is essential. It's a difficult topic, but an integral part of beef production. Farmers prioritize animal welfare, ensuring that the cattle are treated with respect and minimal stress throughout the process. Aging the beef enhances its flavor and tenderness. After slaughter, the beef undergoes a process of aging, where enzymes break down muscle fibers. This results in more tender and flavorful meat. Aging is typically done for 14 to 21 days. Proper packaging and labeling ensure the quality and transparency of grass-fed beef. Packaging protects the meat from contaminants and freezer burn, while clear labeling provides consumers with information about the product's origin and certifications. Transporting the beef safely is crucial to maintain its quality. Farmers and butchers use temperature-controlled trucks to ensure that the beef reaches its destination in optimal conditions, preserving its freshness and taste. Grass-fed beef is distributed to local butchers and supermarkets, making it accessible to consumers. This supports local businesses and reduces carbon emissions associated with long-distance transportation. Consumers can choose and purchase grass-fed beef. By selecting grass-fed beef, consumers are making a conscious choice for health, supporting sustainable agriculture, and promoting animal welfare. What do you like the most about beef cattle? If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe and let me know in the comments what you want to see in the next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.